Okay, so the next few videos are going to be about the distinction between an explanation and an argument. So earlier we talked about how the word because is often an indicator, right? It could be both a conclusion indicator because of what comes before the because, and a premise indicator because of what comes after. But sometimes a because is not an indicator of an argument. It's actually just an explanation. Similar to because, there's the word since. Okay, and it can also be confusing. We're just going to focus on because, but a lot of what we say about the word because will also apply to the word since. So this is what your guys' reading assignment was on, and if this class is like my other classes, this will be a little bit confusing, and I find that every time students get a little bit confused, and to be honest, often when I'm preparing to teach this each year, I get a little confused too. So don't feel too bad when I ask the questions on the quiz. I'll try to stick to like really clear answers where there's like a clear yes or no. So, okay, for this first video, I just want to try to just give an example. It'll be similar to the example in the book. And the example will hopefully just help you get the idea. Okay, so the first take this sentence. Um, the carpet is wet because the roof leaked. Okay, the carpet is wet because the roof leaked. That's one claim. And then here's another one. Whoops, you should clean it up because it's the right thing to do. Okay, so we have two sentences here, and they're both using a because. But one is an argument and the other is an explanation. Okay, so take a look at that and actually pause and try to figure it out on your own. So pause. Okay, I'm assuming that you just paused. And so think it through, and here's the answer. The first one, sentence one, is this is an explanation. Okay? You're explaining why the carpet is wet. The roof leaked. On the other hand, sentence two is an argument. You're trying to justify the claim that you should clean it up. Now in the next video, I'm going to get a little more specific of why one's an explanation and one's an argument. We're going to spell it out a little more clearly.